Hi, I'm Bianca, a watercolor artist from the Philippines. I created this YouTube channel to help aspiring artists learn how to paint using watercolors. My watercolor painting tutorials are with step-by-step process voiceover in which you can paint along. I also have videos about watercolor painting guides, tips, art supplies reviews, and first impressions. I upload videos every week, so subscribe to my channel and tap the notification bell so YouTube will let you know if I upload a new video. You can see my work on my website. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I also provided a link in the description box below where you can sign up for my newsletter and get updates on what I do. If you like what I do, you can also support me by buying me coffee at coffee.com/Mrs. B. Santiago. I suggest watching this playlist to learn my process in watercolor painting to get started.